Yeah, everyone's a little different.
Yep.
You ready?
Ready or not, here we
Ready or
are.
not? I got it loosened up with the excavator. Glad we brought the excavator. We'll be back filling this with dirt. All right, we're back at 205. It's gonna be a beautiful 2 days, about 70 and sunny. It's almost March. Let me show you what we got going for today. I got help coming today. So we picked up culverts, waited for 11% off at Menards. We got concrete. Sharon's gonna be doing her barn stuff. Let me show you what my first deal is gonna be with my hired help. So we're gonna salvage some of these posts. Some are rotten, but some are good that I pulled out. So I'll come bust this concrete off. Then we're gonna re-concrete. We're gonna put some gates out of there. Well, at least the posts. We're gonna dry sink them with concrete. Let them sit for a few days. Supposed to get rain, and then we'll do gates. So that's job number one. Who knows how long that'll take, but it's a nice day to be outside for sure. You ready?
Ready or not, here we
Ready or
are.
not? All right, so I started wanting to feel kind of He-Man-ish with the sledgehammer, trying to bust the concrete off. After a few swings, I'm like, yeah, let's use a force multiplier. So out comes the excavator. I need this for digging the holes anyways.
I'll sweep that out while everything's out of here.
If you want. All right, let's try this easy way. So I tried the sledgehammer first, and yeah, it didn't work the greatest, but then I tried the excavator, which actually didn't work as good as the sledgehammer, because as you're going to see here, it's a little bit wonky, and the sledgehammer, you know, all that force is on that small, you know, head of steel. So I'm probably going to switch back here in just a second. I got it loosened up with the excavator.
Alright, let's get it out of here.
Oh. All right, now we got to head up to the front of the property with our new entrances. We're going to start with just one of them. We're going to do a little test run to see how it's going to go setting these posts, but it's nice to have an extra set of hands. So let's go up to the front of the property. Okay, next step was to punch the holes. We're using our force multipliers instead of shovels. I've probably done a couple dozen of these over the years with shovels. So we're going to use the equipment and see how it's going to go. So we're going to dig the holes first to get our first two gate posts set, and we'll go from there.
Got a piece of land, a brand new dream. Gonna make it shine, or so it seems. Old fences down, the lines are drawn. A fresh new start from dusk till dawn. Gotta make an entrance strong and true. Called up the best, they know what to do. Oh, Capper Outdoors, hear the sound. Digging deep in solid ground. Auger turning, earth is flying. For that new gate post, we're relying. Measure twice and cut it once, they say. Plumb line straight to start the day. Concrete mix and pour it in. Let the hard work now begin. Oh, Capper Outdoors, hear the sound. Yeah. Digging deep Measure twice and cut it once, they say. Plumb line straight to start the day. Concrete mix and pour it in. Let the hard work now begin. Oh, Capper Outdoors, hear the sound. Yeah. Digging deep in solid ground. Auger turning, earth is flying. For that new gate post, we're relying.
Thank you. I think she's a little crooked. I think that curve to it, that too, and so got an angle at the bottom. It's dirt on it, so it's fine. T-shirt time, baby.
Yeah, it's gonna get warm today.
I know it. Want me to do that with the machine? Or at least a big chunk?
Yeah.
Save your back.
Okay, we got our two posts in. They're farther than I wanted. They're 24/8, so I got to use 12-foot gates. This one we're a little off, but when I do some gravel magic and clean it all up, you'll never know the difference. So good progress. So I'm going to clean these up now with the excavator, and I put Mike, I gave him lessons. On TR3, first time trying it. Yeah, he's a quick learner. This will save us some money with the skid steer coming next week if we can get this graded. All right, we'll let him get used to it. It's first time on it, but we'll check back in. All right, here is Mike's first rough grading with the TR3. Did pretty darn good for the very first day. I could probably not have the skid steers come on this. I could just finish this up a little and bring gravel on myself on this one and save it. So now I'm teaching them how to do a finish grade on it. of gravel right here just to tighten it up since we were on it all day here. There we go, looking good. So next we're going to be hanging the gates up here. Let these posts set for a few days and let some of that concrete get some moisture in it. But it's going to look beautiful when you got the two big red gates on here. Yeah, I made a mistake. I put that post upside down, but I wasn't going to pull it out. But it's going to look really cool. Your own little piece of land paradise right here. Close the gate behind you. Yes.